How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are trying a new product. Yes, another new product from our friends over at Lithium Auto. It's called Interspace. What is it? What does it do? How does it look? Let's find out. That's right, Interspace. What this is their interior detail spray. They have a line, basically a line, they're not calling it a line, but I'm calling it a line of products, 5 or 6 products in total. And the theme of these products is to actually rejuvenate the plastics, the rubbers, the trims, the paint, and so on and so forth that they're bringing out back to factory showroom beauty, luster, shine, however you want to call it. And their Interspace is the first one that I received out of that such series, and we're going to give it a try. I specifically waited. I know it's bright. Oh my god, it's bright, hot and sunny, but I specifically wanted to do it because it shows good light on the dash where I'll be showing you first, and then semi good light on the door. I may use that door just because. But let's see what's in this bottle. Lithium Interspace Interior Detailer Condition, 16 ounces of enlightenment. Interspace Interior Detailer. To us, detailing spray is always that final touch of protection that takes a car, or anything for that matter, from clean to exceptional. As with all lithium products, our first goal is to make the surface healthy and well protected from the elements. Next is to make it look brand new. We mean as close as you can get to the day it rolled off the showroom floor. Interspace is a low sheen conditioner that will do just that. It is perfect for plastic, leather, vinyl, and rubber. Protects and restores, shields against UV rays, low sheen factory look. And you know, back in the day, everybody's product had to be shiny, shiny, shiny. Remember the Armor All days, the original Armor All? Yeah, it looked good for a while, but it did absolutely nothing to protect it. They said it protected and everything, but actually when it dried out, if you didn't keep it on there, it would actually dry everything out, especially leather or semi-leather or pleather, and it would cause it to crack and tear and all that good stuff. So let's see what else it says. Directions: spray directly onto the desired surface. In tight spots, apply directly on a microfiber towel to avoid overspray. Then stop and imagine how your car looked when it was new and wipe dry with a clean microfiber towel. Wow, your vision just came true. Use 2 applications on older surfaces. Use Interspace on wood, fabric, or painted areas is not recommended. So you don't want to get it on woods. You don't want to get it on your fabrics like that. And you don't want to get it on painted areas. Warning: keep out of reach of children and anyone who might be jealous of how your car is about to look. Avoid contact with eyes. If you should get some in your eyes, rinse repeatedly with cold water. Do not ingest, no matter how much it looks like milk. If you feel ill, contact your physician. And look right there, the most important part. Formulated and produced in the United States of America. Yeehaw! So there you go. That's all you need to know about that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this area, right, this whole dash. I'm going to get that area over there, spray directly so we can see how it flashes and all that good stuff. Then I'll spray it on my microfiber towel and get the upper area, and then we'll do the door panels. And let's see how this looks, right? From all reports, all accounts, it's a very nice product. I watched it on their channel called Detail and Bell. I'll put the link to that below so you can check out their channel. One cool thing about their channel is that whenever they show you something, they show you what they do is they buy used cars, they use their products on it, they sell the car and upgrade each time. If they make a profit, of course. If they lose money, well, you know how that is. But anyhow, they build up as they go, and the products they use, they actually give it away. They'll pick sometimes up to 12 people out of the comments. I use a random picker and everything and give away the products to you, the viewers. So that's really cool. That's something no other company does. You know, you don't see the bicycle guy doing it. You don't see those guys that use a lot of chemicals do it. And you know, it's just one of those things that nobody does. These guys do it. They have so much pride in their products and believe in them so good that they're willing to give them away so you can try them too. That's really cool. So let me get this put in and we'll go from there. All right, take the cap off. And like I said, kind of hard. It's kind of a fabric freshener bubblegum scent, if that makes any sense to you at all. Look at there, Fab. Yes, sir, it's not right, it's not left, it's pointing straight at you. Just picking on you, buddy. Hope you're doing well out there. So let's get started with this bad boy. As you can see, it's got some dust on it. Let's see how well it is at picking up that. And as you can see, it's kind of dry looking. It is black, but it's kind of dry looking. So let's hit it and see what happens. Look at that, it flashes almost immediately. Wow. It definitely made the black blacker. Get over here and get this. It definitely is making the blacks blacker. And I'm using a cheap microfiber towel. These things are throwaways. So, you know, don't pay any attention to how well it does or doesn't soak up your spray. But man, that leaves a great smell. So now I'm just going to lay it down. Hit it a couple times and get this stuff. I mean, just look at how that looks, and it's dry to the touch. And like I say, you might have to hit it a couple times for older plastics. And this is some old plastic in this car, so I may have to go over it a couple times. But just look at how better that looks compared to that. So I'm gonna hit the spray again. All right, 2 times. Now watch this. See right in this area? Gone. It actually is rejuvenating the plastic. It's making the color richer. It's making the color darker. Wow. I am very, very tickled with that. Just so you can see how well it works. Go over that. Look at that difference right there. Look, that's where I just got compared to that. Holy moly. Hey. And this will take a couple applications. As you can see it flash. This will take a couple applications, so I have to spend some time going over stuff. Like I said, this is our older vehicle, and this is going to take some time. But man, it is so simple with products like this. Look how much better, how much richer, how much blacker that looks. Wow. All right, let's hit this real quick. One quick spritz. Wow. Man, you guys have made a winner here. Look at that. It's not a sheen, it's not a shine. It's just it actually is just a new look. Man, I am tickled to death with that. Look how much better that one section looks already. Whew. Let's get up there real quick. Now I'm certain you can see the difference in that. Where I've gotten and where I haven't. Look at how rich and deep and black looking that is now. Just look at how much of a difference, and I'll show you over here in a second. Alright, I'm gonna lay my rag down, give it a couple spritzes. Alright, you see how this looks right now. Watch this. Look how it looks now. How much blacker it looks. I hope that is coming through. I am. To say that I am tickled over this product is an understatement, because I haven't put anything on this dash since I replaced it last year. There's no streaking, there's no high spots. It's flashing a little bit quicker than I really want it to because it's up on that dash, and it's in the heat, and it's black, but it's not the product's fault. This car's been sitting all day long, and just look at how much richer and cleaner that looks. But just look at how nice and rich and black that dash now looks. Holy moly. Now there is one issue with this, and I'm just going to go ahead and say it. I don't know if Bill and Josh over at Lithium planned it this way or not, but there is one problem with it, and I'm just so sorry to tell you. When you guys and gals get this, you're going to be, man. And what is that? It's very simple. Once you start using it, you can't quit freaking wiping. Oh my God, and what do I mean by that? Look how good it looks. I just want to keep going. This car is loaded with plastic. All that's plastic, all this is plastic, all that's plastic, all that plastic in the back. Oh my God, I just want to keep wiping. I got to. And that's what I'm gonna do. So, but I want to go ahead and give you the final thoughts on this product, and then I'll get to wiping. Lithium Auto Interspace. What can I say about it? It's no joke. Hope I don't get in trouble for that. But yeah, it's not a joke. This is a really, really great product. You guys over at Lithium have a winner with this product. And if the other stuff you're working on that I know that you're working on is half as good as this, my cars are going to last and look so much better. Oh my goodness, it's just going to be so great. And I can't thank you enough for sending me this product. I did not pay for it, ladies and gentlemen. They sent this to me. It's not a sponsored video, although they did send it to me. It's a free product video, because you guys and gals and Bill and Josh and them over at Lithium know that I will give an honest review. If I don't like it, I'll tell you I don't like it. I really like this product, and as you can see, I've done my whole dash and I haven't hardly used any. This thing comes full. Doesn't come down the top of the label like some products we all know. But just look at how good it looks. And I haven't put anything on my dash pad yet, because like I said, I just replaced it. It was either last year or a year and a half ago. And I want to protect it. I want to keep it from drying out and becoming brittle and all that stuff, but I just haven't found anything I felt comfortable with. And you know, the guys over at Lithium Auto tell me that this is a great product. I don't have anything to worry about, so I just put it on there, and I'm so glad I did. It now looks 100% better. Wow, I cannot say enough good things about it. So thank you for watching. Get you some of this too. It's not expensive. It's well worth it. It's a great investment. Only thing is, I gotta get back to wiping. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. God bless. And get out there and enjoy those cars. Even though I'm sitting here making a video of mine, I thoroughly enjoy doing this stuff. And we'll see you. Thanks for watching.